The Dodge Charger, a name that roared through generations, built on muscle, speed, and raw power. But in 2025, that roar becomes electric. That's right, Dodge is turning its legendary muscle car into a full-blown EV. No more V8 engine, no more gas. But don't be too quick to judge, because this beast might just surprise you. Underneath the hood, or what used to be the hood, are dual electric motors pushing out up to 660 horsepower. That's right, 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds. Faster than the Hellcat. Instant. Torque. No lag. Just pure, silent aggression. And it doesn't just move like a Charger. It looks the part too, wide and low. LED light bar across the front. Aerodynamic lines mixed with classic muscle proportions. It's aggressive. It's modern. It's still a Charger. And here's the wild part. It makes noise. Dodge engineered something called the Fratzonic chambered exhaust. It's an artificial growl, loud, wild, and unmistakably Dodge. You might call it fake. Dodge calls it the sound of evolution. Inside, it's a tech lover's dream. A massive 12.3-inch center screen, digital instrument cluster, LED ambient, lighting. Everything feels premium, but with muscle car attitude. And yes, it's rear-wheel drive by default. But there's an all-wheel drive option too. Battery range? Over 500 kilometers on a full charge. Enough to take it from city streets to open highways with no fear. And the price? Dodge says it will start around $55,000, with performance trims going much higher. This isn't just the next Charger. It's the next chapter of American performance. But will the fans accept a silent muscle car? Or is this the rebirth no one expected, but everyone needed? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy the 2025 Dodge Charger EV? Or is gas still king?